It's like the top portion of my leg.
What vertebra is that?
No.
Remember the number?
L3.
Yeah, that's right. That's.
Oh, no.
What is that?
No, no.
What is that?
Pain.
Gotta get the. Oof. Okay. That is that L3 right there.
Yes.
And that's that guy that's wrapping around in the front of your leg right there. Two. There we go. Here. That was nice. Breath in, hold right here. Out, let it go. Nice.
Oh, something was popping.
It's already going, isn't it? Let me get this guy too. Bring the knee up, 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 up. Yep. Oh! Yeah. How about? That's all good up top, Daphne. I just need to give you a little stretch here, okay?